Ever wondered what the best car battery chargers are? Well, a reliable car battery charger is a must-have for any vehicle owner. It's more than just a tool, it's your car's lifeline. So, what should you consider when choosing a charger? 4 key factors: charging speed for quick power-ups, compatibility with various battery types, safety features to prevent mishaps, and ease of use for hassle-free charging. So, buckle up and get ready as we delve into the top 3 car battery chargers on the market. First up on our list is Schumacher SC 1280. This gem of a device boasts impressive charging speed, making it a lifesaver when you're in a pinch. It's compatible with various types of batteries, adding versatility to its list of strengths. Safety is a top priority with Schumacher SC 1280, as it features an intelligent circuit protection system that guards against overcharging, overheating, and short-circuiting. User-friendliness is another feather in its cap. Easy to operate, Schumacher SC 1280 takes the guesswork out of battery charging. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The charger can be slightly noisy during operation, and its bulkiness might not appeal to everyone. That said, these are minor trade-offs for a charger that offers speed, safety, and simplicity. That was Schumacher SC 1280, a solid choice for anyone seeking a balance of speed and safety. Next we have NOCO Genius Pro 50. This charger certainly brings its A-game to the table with a set of unique features that set it apart. One of its standout offerings is its quick chargeability. In a world where time is of the essence, NOCO Genius Pro 50 ensures your car battery is up and running in no time. But it's not all about speed. NOCO Genius Pro 50 also boasts of an intelligent microprocessor-controlled charging, providing your battery with the precise amount of charge it needs. However, every rose has its thorns, and NOCO Genius Pro 50 is no exception. The charger falls short with its slightly complicated user interface, which might be a turnoff for the less tech-savvy among us. Compared to Schumacher SC 1280, NOCO Genius Pro 50 trades off a bit of user-friendliness for advanced features. NOCO Genius Pro 50 offers some impressive features, making it a strong contender in our top 3. Finally, we have Schumacher SC 1309. This powerhouse is the epitome of high-tech, featuring an automatic charging system and a built-in microprocessor for optimal charging. Its standout feature is the multi-stage charging mechanism that prolongs battery life and enhances performance. When it comes to pros, Schumacher SC 1309 scores high on versatility. It's compatible with a wide range of vehicles, from cars to motorcycles, even boats. However, every rose has its thorn. The downside to Schumacher SC 1309 is its premium price tag and a slightly complicated interface that might not sit well with tech novices. In comparison to Schumacher SC 1280 and NOCO Genius Pro 50, Schumacher SC 1309 offers more advanced features but at a steeper price. Schumacher SC 1309 rounds up our list with its standout features and performance. To sum it all up, these top 3 car battery chargers each bring something special to the table, from rapid charging capabilities to advanced safety features, and even eco-friendly design. Remember, the best charger depends on your specific needs and preferences. Thanks for watching and drive safely.